Hey guys, welcome back to Crafted by Kids. Today we're going to be making a Reasons Why We Love Our Parents jar. This is the finished product of what we're going to be making today. First, you're going to take your jar and take the lid off. Set that aside for now. Then you're going to take an index card and cut it to where it fits on one side of the jar. So about here on mine. That works. Next, you're gonna write on the front, reasons why we love our, and then you can write anything there. You can write parents, dad, mom, grandparents, anything like that. So I wrote reasons why we love our parents. And then you're just going to glue that to one side of the jar, like that. This is what it should look like after you've glued it on. Next, you're gonna take an index card and cut it into strips. About this thick. Then you're gonna write a reason why you love your parents, grandparents, whatever you put on the front. So I could say, you are kind. Then you can fold this up and put it into the jar. Then you're just gonna make more of the reasons why you love these people and slip them into the jar. Now that I filled up the whole jar with all my reasons, I'm going to attach the lid. You can also put something fun on the lid, like a bow, but I just want to keep it plain and simple. And then I'm going to put little hearts on the front. And there you go. You can give this to the people you love, and they can see all the reasons why you love them. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to like and share this video. Bye!